Bye.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. How are you? Nice to see you and nice of you to hear from me. I'm sorry I've been gone for so long, but I decided to make a comeback on YouTube because, you know, it was time for me to take it seriously. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do my everyday makeup routine. I actually recorded this video a year ago in 2019, like crazy, but I didn't get a chance to upload it because of COVID, plus I'm in online school right now, so everything is really super intense. But how are you guys doing, during this pandemic? How are your friends and family? Leave a comment down below. Let's talk. Apologies in advance for my facial expressions because I was watching something really funny that day and I was laughing my head off. In fact, I edited so much out because I just look so crazy. Going back to the makeup, I may not mention everything that I use in this video, but it will all definitely be listed in the description box below, so make sure you check that out as well. And it will be in the order that I use them as well. But for the most part, my techniques, some of it has changed, some of it is still the same. For example, I don't conceal the top of my brows anymore, so I know you see me doing it here in this clip, but I changed. One day I just was so lazy and I was like, I don't want to do it anymore, and so I didn't. Look at my face. So I didn't conceal the top of my brows, and the look still came out really fire. So some of the techniques, like I said, have changed and some of them are still the same, but for the most part this is a pretty simple routine for you to follow, for anyone to follow really, and I hope you all enjoy. Can we talk about this LA Girl Pro concealer though? Like, this concealer is really the best concealer on the market. I've been using it for like 6 years now. It's really like the best, for real. It's full coverage and very, very affordable. And girl, I wish I was being paid to say that. It is, I think it's like $3.99 at my local hair shop, but I think the price ranges from different stores, obviously. And I'm using the shade Beautiful Bronze to conceal all the high points of my face. I also use the Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C14 as a dupe because my LA Girl concealer ran out. And this concealer is also available at your local drugstore. And as you can see right now, I'm just blending it in with my beauty blender and about to set my face with the Sacha Buttercup banana powder, which I also feel is really the best. Like, come on now, you see me. You see me, period. I'm also carving out my face with another beauty blender. This is the Real Techniques one. It's sold out. It's not even sold out, it's discontinued. Pata pata is gone. And I'm so sad. Like, I have to use this one, like my life depends on it, because really and truly, it's a problem. Guys, I'm so annoying. Like, I'm so mad that I still left that in the video. But the product I was using that I was showing you guys is called the Covergirl Queen Ebony Bronzer in the number Q120. Guys, this product is really discontinued, like for real. They don't make it anymore. And I was so sad because it really is perfect for dark skinned people with like dark skin like mine. But I believe Fenty Beauty also has like a dupe for this, something similar called Mocha Mummy. I think it's their bronzer, and I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna buy it and give it a try. Right now I'm going to line my eyes with the Morphe Jet Black liner. It's a gel liner, and I'm about to highlight with this highlighter called Terra. They don't sell it in the UK, unfortunately. If you guys knew what I did to find it, the ghetto. I know you guys see that glow though. That glow is crazy. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes with some lash curlers. Somebody said that lash curlers look like something Tinkerbell's gynecologist would use, and honestly that is the funniest shit I've ever heard. Now I'm just about to apply some mascara and my lashes. I'm putting some moles on my face like I usually do, and my lashes are the Victorious lashes in the style I cannot remember. I will put it down below. I'm really sorry. Just gonna put my lashes on and stare at myself, feel myself, period. Spray my face with the Luminous Glow setting spray by I'm trying to remember, guys, Revolution as well, my bad. And now I'm going to line my lips with a brown lip liner, also by Revolution, in the color Glory, which is just a deep dark brown. And then I'm going to put some lip gloss on here, some light pink lip gloss. I found it from like years ago. Guys, I love nude lips and I love glossy lips. I don't do lipstick. That's not for me. That is not my ministry. We don't do that. We only do lip gloss around here. So I'm going to apply this pink gloss, and that is it. I think that's it. Yeah. That is the finished look. Can you see? I think I did a pretty good job. I'm so glad you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.